Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is related to IBM Associate System Engineer role. If you are a 2026 passed out looking for a global career in tech, this video is for you. We will cover company overview, role details, responsibilities, required skills, eligibility, and how to apply. Coming to the company, International IBM Machines Corporation, better known as IBM, is one of the oldest most iconic technology companies, founded in 1911 and headquarters in New York. Okay, now coming to the job title and overview. Click on the link present in the description. See, I was sharing my screen. If you go through with the position, it's an associate system engineer and its job ID was 52240 and job ID is presented here 52240 and company IBM locations. It's in multi locations Mysore, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Lucknow, Hyderabad, Calcutta, Bangalore, etc. This is a software engineer role designed to kickstart your tech career with a global technology leader. And coming to the roles and responsibilities, as an associate system engineer at IBM, your main responsibilities is participating in software design, development, testing, and production support, writing a clean, maintainable, and scalable code, analyzing the existing issues and proposing solutions, and also collaborating with technical teams and stakeholders to understand requirements. This role gives you explore the entire software development life cycle and let you work on real projects used by clients globally. And coming to the required technical skills and qualifications. The qualification is bachelor's degree, BE or BTech in computer science, IT, AIML, DS, robotics, IoT or similar streams. Final year students 2026 passed out or recent graduate are eligible for this applying job role. And also you should be in strong programming fundamentals, especially in Java, Python, C++, Node.js. Understanding of software development lifecycle is also known as SDLC, and also good communication, analytical, and problem solving skills. Here, who can apply? The students graduating 2026 BE BTech can also apply. No active backlogs, minimum academic performance up to 60%, and also strong coding skills, basic and communication skills. And coming to the point, like how to prepare, strengthen your DSA and programming fundamentals in Java, Python, C++, learn SDLC basics, practice interview questions, coding plus behavior, and build some simple project to showcase your skill, improve communication for group round and HR rounds. And that's a complete breakdown of IBM Associate System Engineer role. From company intro to responsibilities, you need to expected the package. If you are a 2026 graduate aspiring for a tech job, this could be your dream start. If you enjoyed this and want more job walkthroughs like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification.